Alright, fair warning, this is a cry for help. I need an axle for my truck, for my old rock truck, DJB. I'm hoping maybe I'll just blast this out there. I know I don't have too many people watch my videos, but I know there are some of you out there that are watching faithfully, and maybe you know of a teardown yard or a wreck yard in your area that has some of these old trucks sitting around. That's my hope. Basically, I released a video, or I'm going to release a video. I'm actually going to put this out before the other video, but spoiler alert, I busted the rear hub on my rear trailing axle on the haul truck. Turns out the bearings were gone and probably have been for who knows how long, and finally it got so bad that the wheel just broke the hub off, and the hub's destroyed. Now the odds of finding a replacement hub is next to none. It's old DJB part number, so Caterpillar can't even cross-reference it to look for a replacement. Can't find anybody in the aftermarket world that knows what it is. So from what I can tell, my only option is to find a replacement axle that'll fit up under this truck, you know, hub to hub, I don't care, send it with the tires on it. An axle that'll fit up under there, or I take the other side hub that's still intact to a machine shop and I have them mill out a custom hub. I can't imagine that that's a very affordable approach. Maybe it is more affordable than I think. I don't know. But yeah, I desperately need this axle, or I need a hub. I need some way to fix this axle. If not, my third option, my bush fix option, is just to yank that axle out from under my truck. Luckily, it's a non-drive axle anyway, so I could actually yank it out from under there, and pretty much all I do is drop the payload of my truck. I don't want to do that, because I'd like to be able to continue to run the truck fully loaded like I need to, just so I can get full loads. But if I had to, I can yank it out of there and run it half loaded. That'll be hard to discipline myself, but I can. But yeah, if anybody out there thinks they know where I can find an axle, it's on a DJB D350. The truck is most likely compatible with a Caterpillar D350. I don't know that for sure. I had a CAT dealer tell me that most likely it would be. He said when CAT bought out DJB, basically for the first couple of years, Caterpillar basically ran them as DJB trucks and put Caterpillar stickers on them. So there's a good chance that the parts match in the very, very earliest model Caterpillar haul trucks, that it'll match up with my old DJB. Shot in the dark. I'm just about to the point that I'm going to measure this axle, physically measure it, and start going to scrap yards and just looking at front end loaders or anything they might have and just seeing if they got an axle that's the same size. I don't know where else to go. It's pretty hard when you're calling looking for parts on a truck that most people don't even know exists. So yeah, this is my cry for help. Please, dear God, somebody help me find an axle for this truck.